It was basically a community event for all of our summer enrichment kids at the Parks and Recreation Community Centers, and we had a Y.M.C.A. program also attend, and we had about 500 kids come out and enjoy fitness, sports, and nature activities here at Mason Park.
And I got a t-shirt and a poster. My favorite part was playing the soccer game.
My favorite thing was swimming and eating snow cones. Hi, I'm Janet and I'm from Charter Park, and my favorite part was being in the pool.
My name is Michael and I'm from Garden Villas, and I like the best thing I like was the basketball.
Going on the nature tour. Come on right in front of the DJ table here.
Reverse. Slide to the left. Slide to the right. Reverse.
Hi, people! Oh, don't forget me. Hello.
Carry the ball all the way to the finish line. Yeah, ball run all the way through.
My favorite thing about being here was the swimming pool.
Pull it.
Whoa. Whoa.
My name is Cliff. I'm with the Houston Dynamo. I'm part of the marketing promotions team. It means a lot to the Dynamo organization because the Dynamo is catered as a family-oriented organization. They like to cater to families, and we like to bring the big, huge crowds out to games. So it actually means a lot for this organization to come out to the community and you know, do these type of events to promote soccer in the community, and especially get kids started in the soccer game at a young age.
Hi, my name is Marissa Magoo. Today was awesome.
Hi, my name is G.R.E.A.T, and today was an awesome day.